everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is on this company that I really love their lashes, and I wanted to share a little bit of information about this company on my channel, hoping that my followers, get to know new companies. So I hope that you like videos like this, showing you new companies and talking a little bit about them. So today's company is this lash line company, which is Ditamora, and they sent me their dramatic collection, which is a beautiful collection. And here's the packaging. Isn't it just beautiful? So when you open it, you get this, and it's 8 different lashes. So these go by D1, D2, etc. So it's from D1 to D8. They're just so beautiful. They're just all unique, their own beautiful way. They have like 2 stacks of lashes, which I like because it brings more volume and drama to the eyes. They are faux mink, and they are handmade and reusable. They vary prices. I'm just gonna pull up some of the information off my phone, so if I'm looking down, don't mind. This box right here, which is the dramatic box, the cost of it is $62, but right now it's on sale for $49. So you could get these 8 lashes for $49. So right now they have various prices because they have a sale going on, but they're normally $12. For instance, right now the D1 is $6 on sale, and the D2 is $8 on sale. They're originally $12 each. That's awesome that they're having a sale right now. So I wanted to also talk to you about the company and the founder and things like that. So the founder of Ditamora is Doris, and she's a Spanish designer, which is so cute. Spain is all about beauty and quality beauty products and all that good stuff. So that's awesome. Got inspired because she liked to use lashes. So that's what gave her inspiration, because she would use lashes to go out. It says here, Doris believed that the definition of beauty should be adapted for every woman, which means that every eyelash she made to fit like every woman's eyes, which is nice, or eye shape. She also said eyelashes should make women more beautiful in their own way rather than letting them become somebody else. So she began to study the eye shape between different women. After she tested 300 samples from 27 countries and extensive surveys of consumers, over 2 years, Ditamora brand was born. So wow, she's very inspiring. I really like that. That she did her research before actually launching, which is what you should do. Ditamora has 2 factories, one in Indonesia and Northwest China, which is pretty cool. I did mention that the lashes are faux mink, which means that they are not tested on animals, but they do feel very natural and not too fake. I guess because of the synthetic and imitation bristles, they feel super lightweight. They don't feel heavy at all, which is great because, some mink lashes feel super heavy on the eyes, and, they're a bit thicker. So these, for being synthetic or fake, mink, they are super lightweight and they look like mink lashes. So that's the good part about these lashes. I love these lashes so much. I love, like I said, the volume and the drama of each and every lash. I have tried, I think it's 3 of them. Right now I have style D1 on the eyes, which is a very unique eyelash. It extends very beautifully on the outside, and then it goes little shorter towards the inside, which that's how I love my eyelashes, and that's why these have become one of my favorite lashes. She does have natural looking lashes, so I'm going to show you these that are very full, and let me see if I can remove them from here. These are style D8, and they look like this. I love these because these are the ones that are super full and extra dramatic, but she does have smaller, more natural ones, which are D1, the ones that I'm wearing right now. If you love lashes that are super full and very feminine and dramatic, these lashes are for you. They are super inexpensive, which is awesome because usually faux mink lashes or mink lashes are expensive, and these are only $12. But if you get them now on sale, then you'll save $6 or you'll save $4. These have been my go-to, and yeah, I will link everything down below so you could check them out. This is how they look on the eyes. If you're into lashes and you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe if you haven't already, and go follow Ditamora. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.